Hey, Jordan here. I just got this new set of suitcases. This is the level 8 Luminous texture two-piece set in black. I just took these two new suitcases to the Turks and Caicos and put it through its paces. So in this review video, I'm going to break down what it looks like to unbox these when they arrive in the mail, what it was like to travel with them, and then at the end, an overall review of how these held up on an international trip to the Turks and Caicos. So I've got the 20-inch hard-shell carry-on case and the 28-inch hard-shell checked luggage. And so I'm going to break down both of these. So let's dive into the review so you can see what it looks like. All right, so the level 8 suitcases I ordered just arrived, came in this big box, and so I'm going to open it up and see what it looks like. It's a big box. Right. Pull this out. It's got a nice protective cover on it. All right. As you can see, barely just touching it. These wheels work great. Let's take a look at what this looks like. Okay, so we've got some tags here, zipper, handle that comes in and out. Really easy. So we've got these so you can set it on its side without hitting the actual suitcase. Got the bottom, got the dual wheels. On the side we've got a handle. On the top we've got a handle, and then we've got a lock right here. All right, so we want to open the suitcase, but it comes with this TSA lock. So these are actually locked into the TSA lock. So you get this instruction manual. And then the next part is the TSA lock instructions. And now we're going to set the TSA lock. So to do this, we need to have the 3 zeros right here, and the lock needs to be on. So what we're going to do is we're going to press a toothpick right here. I'm going to put in the combo 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to unlock, which should set that. Okay, so I'm going to press this right here, and then I'm going to set this to 1, 2, 3, and now I'm going to move this over. Okay, and that popped these out. Now let's put these back in. Let's change the combination. And now if I press this, it won't actually go over. So these stay in. All right, so we've got the suitcase. You can see now, if we set it down, that we've got it unlocked. And let's go ahead and use these zippers. We're going to open it up. So you can see this is a hard shell. And then we've got this compartment right here. Then we've got another. That's for the other compartment. And then we've got the other suitcase right here. So let's pull this out. So you can see we've got this compartment here, and you can close it off. Once you put in your clothes, you've got this locking mechanism right here to kind of hold things in place. And if you want to create compartments, you can zip this up. And then if you want to pack this side of the suitcase, then you have the same locking mechanism that you can tighten. And then you can close off this side of the suitcase. So then you've got the 2 different compartments. You've got these zippers here that you can put in other stuff. And then let's close this up. And the wheels roll really good. So yeah, awesome suitcase. And let's take a look at the other suitcase. And you can see that this also comes with the TSA lock. So we can go through the same process. So it's got a button that you push here, and it just comes out. It slides really smooth. It's got a handle here. So let's set the TSA lock now that we know how to do this. And let's open this up. This is really nice. So we've got two compartments just like the larger suitcase. So we've got this compartment right here that we can close off. And then we've got this compartment. So basically kind of the same layout as the other suitcase, where we've got two zippers that we can put things in here. And then we can close it up. This is a Hardshell. And then you can see as well, you can set it on its side. It has these. So if you wanted to, you can set it on its side. It's got a side handle. It's got the top handle. Then let's set this on the floor so you can see the size difference between the two. So we've got this handle that comes up. So you can see both of these, you've got the handles, so your handles are going to be about the same height. So if I'm going through the airport. Okay, so we're packing up the suitcase and we're able to fit in 2 of our snorkeling bags. Okay, then on the other side, we've put in clothes, toiletry bag, flip-flops. Okay, then close this. All set to go. All right, so we're packing the carry-on. And once you get one side packed, you can just zip it up. Okay, then we got the other side packed. We're going to zip it up. Okay, now we're going to put in some toiletries. Just close the suitcase. Okay, so we've got the level 8 suitcases, and we're going to see what it looks like to put them in the trunk. They've got just a regular normal trunk. So you can see that they both fit in pretty easily. We then headed to the airport with our check bag and our carry-on bag. We went to the baggage counter and checked our large 28-inch hardshell suitcase. And then with our carry-on bag, you can see that it just glides along the floor at the airport. It does well on the moving escalators. It rolled smooth on the carpet getting onto the airplane. And it fit perfectly into the overhead cabin. Then we landed in the Turks and Caicos and we headed over to the villa that we're staying in. And you can see that our level 8 suitcases brought all the things we needed to enjoy this paradise. After an amazing trip in the Turks and Caicos, we headed home. As we were at the airport, I picked up my checked bag. It was so nice knowing I had a hard shell suitcase that all my stuff was protected. All right, so I'm back from the Turks and Caicos Islands. We had an amazing trip. And these level 8 suitcases are amazing. I'd highly recommend them. In the airport, the wheels, they just glide. And with the handles, with the TSA approved locks, everything was just super easy to use. You can see that this hard shell and this scratch resistance material really held up. This was banged around. These checked bags, man, they take a beating. They're being thrown around and everything held up. All of our stuff held up great. So overall, I'd highly recommend getting this level 8 Luminous textured 2-piece set. When you're going on an international trip, you want to know that your luggage is going to be protected. You want to know that you've got the TSA locks. You want wheels that glide. You want handles that are easy to use. And these were amazing for our trip to the Turks and Caicos. And I would highly recommend getting these level 8 suitcases.